Hello and welcome to this Leetcode question playlist. So today we are going to solve this Leetcode question number 626, which is the exchange seats. So consider this table seat. We have 5 students in it. We have to swap every consecutive students like this Abbott and Doris. They are going to get swapped like Doris and Abbott. Then Emerson and Green, they are going to get swapped like Green and Emerson. And if the number of students are odd here, the last will become, because there is no student to get swapped with, so it will remain the same at James. So this is the question which we need to solve it. Okay, so how we are going to solve it? Let's see. We are going to use the lag and the lead window functions here. So what I really want here in this, what if I could just add another column like lead, where I want, okay, the next, for this Abbott I want to add Doris here. For Doris I want to add Emerson here. For Emerson I want to add Green here. And for Green I want to add James here, and this will become null. I am using this lead window functions, and I can do this because I am taking the lead of the next row. Similarly, what if I can take a lag as well? Of course, for Abbott, the lag will be null. There is no previous element. For Doris, we have Abbott. For Emerson, we have Doris. For Green, we have Emerson. For James, we have Green. And we are able to do it. Now, what we are going to see, if we are able to achieve this, then what I want, whenever the ID is 1, which is an odd number, I'm going to select only this. I'm going to select the lead one. And when the number is even, like 2 is even, I'm going to select the odd. For this case, because this is an odd number, I'm going to select the lead. And even number 4, I'm going to select the lag. And the last case, when I see this is an odd number, I have to select the lead, but when I see the lead is null, what I do, I just select this student only. Now I'm quite happy. I just need this row and this row to be shown like this, and this row, and my answer is done. See, I'm able to achieve the same answer as this one. So the step number 1 will be, I'm going to create this lead and lag, and this will become a derived table, and then I'm going to put a condition in the select where if the ID is odd, I'm going to select the lead. If the ID is even, I'm going to select the lag. And if the ID is odd and the lead is null, then I'm going to select the student. So I'm going to use a if and else condition in the select clause after creating my derived table. So now let's go to our favorite IDE, data grip. I am in the data grip. I have already created the table seat. Now we could see these elements. So the first task is to create a lead and the lag. So first let me create a lead of student with 1 over order by ID ascending. Okay, now I want to also have this lag student 1 same over order by ID ascending. This is as LG and this is as LD. And let me run this query. See, I'm able to get this lead and the lag. Now the second step is I'm going to wrap this, because this has now become a derived table. I will just say select star from, and this says X. And let me also run this query. It's the same. Now what I really want, case when ID, I need a mod of ID comma 2 equals to 0. Basically it's mean I'm trying to get the remainder. If it's come out to be 0, of course it's an even number. So let's make case this is an odd, If it is an odd, that is 1, then I want the lead one. Then x dot ld. I want when mod of id comma 2 equals to 0, then I want x dot lg. This is a lag. This is what I really want. And one more case I really want to show you. When mod of id comma 2 is 1 and if this lead is null and x dot id is null, then I would say x dot student, because if this is null and this is also odd, then I really want this gems only. So this is odd, this is null, then x dot student. Okay. Since this is the last statement, I could clearly say I don't want this, else then and as student. And I think so I am done with this case. This is my x dot id and this is also my x dot id. Am I doing something wrong here? It's looking okay to me. I do not know where the problem is. Else then, I think this is the problem. The then will not be there. So case when then and then else part. Why this is saying is always false. Okay, x dot lead this should be. If I run this, then what I am getting it, I am getting Doris, Abbott, Green, Emerson and James, which is what I really want. So now I just want id and I just want the student. See, we are able to get this result. Hope you got the gist here. Now let me submit the solution to the Leetcode and check whether everything is working fine on the Leetcode or not. So let's go to the Leetcode. I am in the Leetcode. I've already explained this question to you. I'm just going to check whether there is any syntax error here or not. See, my answer is accepted. There is no syntax error. Let me submit this question. See, I'm able to submit my question and you could clearly see we are very well ahead than a lot of people here. So by simply using this lag and the lead window functions, we are able to solve this medium question, the Leetcode, with quite ease. Thanks a lot for watching. Hello guys, if you are liking the content, please like, please subscribe to my channel and also comment in the comment section and also share this video to all your friends. Till then, keep watching, happy learning, bye bye.